So, hi loves, welcome to Becoming Elegant with Princess Bella. I just wanted to show you a beautiful image of the step-by-step tutorial of what you are going to be doing today. So, welcome again to our YouTube channel. To get your brows done, the first thing, of course, that you're going to do is to get it all clean. You have to remove all the excess hairs. You have to, after carving your brows, you have to go up, brush it down, and still remove all the excesses, all of them. Guys, take your time in doing this one, okay? Because it's quite important so that you have a clean, neat, nicely done brows. So this hair wax is what we are going to be using today to put our brows in place. It sells for about 1,000 naira, 1,500 naira, depending on where you. I think I got mine for about 1,500 naira. Okay, so I don't usually have the habit of applying things directly on my face. I always apply it first at the back of my palm so that I'll take as minimal product. I usually prefer to build up products. Okay, so for the other side, instead of getting more from the container, I'll get it from the back of my hand. Guys, keep brushing, take your time. These things are not usually so simple and so straightforward and so fast. Take your time, okay? And afterwards, any powder palette at this point, to be honest, is going to work, but I used V Beauty powder palette to set the brows. Okay, just tap tap tap, small quantities at the same time. So right now, this is the most important step. To be honest, I was chewing gum before I started this, outlining my brows, but at this point I stopped chewing the gum, I stopped laughing, and I'm hardly breathing. To be honest, if you're still a beginner in makeup, I don't think you should be breathing at this point, because you have to get it perfect. You have to get it perfect the first time. It is usually better to get it perfect the first time than to keep trying and trial and error and keep cleaning and keep defining. No, just get it perfect the first time. Afterwards, right now, with feather hand, as if nothing is up coming out, you have to start filling in the sparse spaces depending on the direction you brushed up your eyebrows using the brow clear gel. So just keep filling in that same direction of your hairlines, okay? But feather hand, please don't allow too much of anything to show at the same time. Just build up eventually. In fact, if you're doing it, it should always look like you're not doing it. This pencil, by the way, is Mabrook eyebrow pencil. So with the Brows Beauty Lotion eyebrow pencil, applying it directly on the brows does not often work, which is why I would, charge it at the back of my hand. Guys, again, you see this particular eyebrow pencil, that's what I use in the beginning and the middle part of my brows, for the singular reason that it is usually very light. It will never come out more than normal. So if you're the kind of person that would rather your brows are light and nice and beautiful, just use this particular one. In fact, in this video, I think I overdid, because I did more than I naturally would have. Okay, but this is how I do it. I'm going to bring the picture closer, the video closer. Yes, that's it, so that you see the spaces that is still in there. And yeah, basically this brow mascara wand, I'm going to marry everything together. Just try to set everything in place. If you have just the brow gel, that's fine. If you don't, if you have just this one, the brow gel is becoming very important in 2024, so please go and purchase yours. But this is nice. This is what I started with. This is the only thing I started with about 5 years ago, when I became quite intentional with everything about me. Okay, so with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and with that particular brush that works for you, guys, it is not somebody that will tell you the one that works for you. I have up to 5 angled brushes, but this one is the one I've used for more than 7 years in doing my brows. I eventually keep going back to it. So figure it out. For some people it has to be angled, for some people it does not have to be angled, but whatever works for you. Yeah, basically whatever works for you. So for me, this particular one, it is wild, it is angled, and it is nice, smooth and nice. Yeah, so just use the 2 shades concealer, the one that is lower, the one that is 2 shades lighter than your skin color, to define the lower part of your brows, and the one that is exactly your skin color to define the upper part of your brows. Again, at this point, you should not even be breathing. I expect that you seize your breath, that you will not be talking, smiling, or showing anything, so that you get a perfect, nicely defined brows. Do you see how I went back to showing? And the last but not the least, I had to use the same brush to brush everything together, just because I feel like I had a little bit of time. But to be honest, before this point, it was nice. You can do it. Yeah, I just wanted to bring it closer just so you see how perfect this step-by-step easy tutorial is. Please let me know if you're going to be trying this, my step-by-step tutorial, if you learned something new. And this is going to be end of the video. Oh my goodness, everything came together. It is beautiful, it is nice, and it is beautiful. Just let me know if you're going to be trying it, and I'll get back to you in my next video. Bye.